Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to Weekly Tools. Today, let's clear up one of the biggest myths in the car world, engine break-in. You've probably heard a lot of conflicting opinions, but I'm here to give it to you straight. What is engine break-in? So what's engine break-in? It's the critical first period when all those shiny new engine parts start getting comfortable with each other. The piston rings, for example, need to settle into place, ensuring the engine runs smoothly for years. This process is key to getting that perfect fit, which means better compression, better fuel efficiency, and less oil consumption. The myths now. Some people say modern engines don't need a break-in thanks to advanced tech. While it's true manufacturing has improved, the laws of physics haven't changed. Metal parts under stress still need that break-in to ensure optimal performance. Then soon and now, break-in. Here's the real deal. You don't need to, baby, your car, but you don't want to go crazy either. The trick is variety. Change up your speeds and RPMs during the break-in period, but avoid extremes. Here's how you do it. First 500 miles, drive a mix of city and highway. Keep it under 4 RPMs and no hard acceleration. 500 to 10 miles, gradually increase load and RPMs, but don't push it yet. After 10 miles, you can start opening it up more, but avoid redlining for now. Oil changes matter, also. The factory oil is designed for break-in, but it contains tiny metal particles from the process. That's why I always recommend changing your oil at 500 to 10 miles, not waiting 10 like some manuals say. It's cheap insurance for your engine. Remember, break-in is about helping your engine part settle in for a long life. Vary the load, change the oil early, and your car will thank you for it. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep checking out Weekly Tools for more honest car advice. Catch you next time.